Hi, this is Athar, and this is our project Stun, an infinite canvas. So basically, it's a whiteboard, but with chat with AI. So first, let's log in. So the goal was to make an infinite canvas which have AI capabilities, which have AI navigation, AI UI navigation. We were trying to make a new way of navigating through your spaces. It's more like a thinking space actually. So as you can see, it look very simple like a normal whiteboard, but it's not. Think of it like you're using Gemini chat, but in an infinite canvas. You have infinite space. You can navigate through your thoughts. It's more like your brain. You can organize things. You can navigate to one place to another, one node to another, one image to another, a diagram to another diagram. Just crazy. Now let's test it. Oh, okay. So navigate to design. So let's see how our AI powered brain works. So let's navigate to design. Here we are. We are in the design section. Here the design inspiration. Okay, now let's try another. Zoom out to backend architectures. So let's see if it goes there. As you can see, it came. Now let's see. Okay, so it goes there. Yep, it's here. So yeah, you can just navigate through the whole space. You can go right, left. You can say go 50% there and 50% here, and it will just navigate here and there with your voice command. It's kind of a city right now, but we are trying to make it fully voice flow to navigate through the whole space like your own brain. You can also use AI however and wherever you want. So let's explain this axiom architecture. So let's ask the AI. Let's see if it explain it well. And yeah, the result just came down in your own thinking space. So this is the result. This it explained the whole architecture of axiom. Now let's try with an image. First, let's take an image. So we'll go and we'll see if the multi-model will explain the image as well, like understand it and explain it. So yeah, so let's see if we can explain. And this is the crazy thing, crazy stuff you can build with AI. Like with all the multi-model stuff, you can, in future we can do it with videos and PDFs and a lot of things. The future scope is really big, to be honest. I can see it becoming a very useful tool. So as you can see it explain. I'm really thankful to Google DeepMind team and Gemini, I mean Google Cloud team to make such amazing tools so that we can build crazy things like this. I mean, this is one of the thing we made so we can use it. And yeah, Stun have all the features we expect from a whiteboard. And we made this because we wanted this kind of use case, like a infinite whiteboard with super AI powered. We have a lot of features like organize all the ideas, generate diagrams, explain stuff, connect nodes, create nodes. So there's a lot, to be honest. And you can just drop things out and it just sort them out for you. And also like we have search, so you can just search through the whole whiteboard. Everything is a node, so everything can be searched. We also have one cool feature that you can generate moment diagrams, and it is mostly for hacker like us. And to be honest, you can literally use AI to write those moment code for you, and then you can just generate the diagram and see how it works, and you can just play with the diagram. Also, at this point, automating the cloud deployment, we have used Terraform, and in this video, in this clip, you can see the use of Terraform and the successful deployment. So yeah, this was done. Our submission for Gemini Live Agent Challenge. And yeah, these are the Google Cloud deployment links. You can check it out.